Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So, I got to thinking, the more I started talking about doing everything with one plane, I started to realize that, okay, can we? Can we do everything with just one plane? And so, I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to do everything with this one plane. Now, some of you may not have spare blade sets. I do. So, I'm sort of at an advantage because I can have a cambered blade set for scrub work and I can have other straight blade sets for certain special situations. But I wanted to challenge you to try and pick one hand plane, just one, and see if you can do everything you need to do with just that one hand plane. So you're going to be talking about rough surfacing. You're going to talk about smooth surfacing, edge jointing, end planing, chamfers, pencil sharpening. Basically anything you would do with your planes, you would do with just the one. So like with this board, this is that curly red oak I've been working with. It's nasty wood. I don't know how much of it you can see, but it's quarter sawn and it's tiger stripe. So that means that the grain is going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and it just wants to tear. I don't know if you can see it, but there's all these little chip outs. So I will mark these worst ones where I find them, and I will take a finer and finer cut with my hand plane, may even sharpen the blade one more time, until they're as gone as they can be. Then I will go get a blade set that has a back bevel on it. What that does is it raises the effective cutting angle of the blade to the wood face so that you're at a higher degree and you'll get less tear out. So super sharp, higher angle, fine cuts. I'll get rid of as much of it as I can before having to go to a scraper. But at this point, I am still just in the rough planing stages. So there you go. This is my one plane, hand plane challenge to you. I'm going to try to do it with the number 4, even though I like my number 5. I know I can do everything with the number 5. But I'm going to try to do it with a plane I normally wouldn't try. Hope you found something useful. Hope you'll take the challenge and try to do all your work with just one hand plane. Keep it sharp. And if you have spare blades, keep them sharp. Try different angles, try different bevels, try different cambers. Find out what works best for you. If you haven't yet, I welcome you to go subscribe to the channel. I forget where it is, over there, or is it over there? And give it the old thumbs up so that we know that you got to take a look at it. And most importantly, head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.